G'day all, I'm Tassie T, welcome to my channel. Short video. Old mate David Buckle wanted a retort built. He's planning on using a bit of mercury to catch some real fine gold. Wanted a way of processing it, wasn't going to poison him, and I built him a homemade retort. I'll show you. Basically, got an old axle stump, an axle with a cup welded on top of it. That goes in a steel bucket. Then we've got a bit of barbie plate to go over the top. A bit of grill. It just sits on there like that. Then we've got the cap. This goes over the top of it as well. That's for catching the gases. Basically, where the cup is, you put your amalgam with your mercury and your gold in there. You light a fire on this. The heat melts the mercury out of it, turns into a gas form, goes down into the water that's sitting in the bucket, catches the gas, turns it back into a solid. Your gold is left in your little tub in the top. It's all about catching that gas and not breathing it in. Once you fill the bucket up to, 2/3 full, yeah, there's no way for it to escape. I've pressure tested it all. It's solid. So that will keep David safe. If he chooses to use the mercury that he's talking about, that should do the job. It cost nothing. It's from scrap I had laying around, and it took about an hour. So we'll see how it goes. He's planning on going back to Melbourne again for another trip into the Victorian goldfields, and that could be the tool that gets him some colour. The other thing I've got done today is I test drove the buggy. I didn't film it because the weather has been absolutely friggin' terrible, and it worked. It's just so awesome. I'm thrilled with it. It shifts smooth. It just does everything I asked it to do. Gee, I've got a little bit of light, so you might be able to see it. You probably can't. Yeah, it's still shit. Anyway, it's come up neat. I'm happy with it. Yes. It's been one of them days stuck in the shed, trying to get stuff done. But yeah, the little buggy, she works a treat. It's proven itself. A few more hot laps around the paddocks, and yeah, I'm going to load all my gear into the back of it. We're going to take it bush. There's a spot I want to get to, and I'm not walking it. It's too bloody far. But that thing should get me and my gear in there. Get some gold. Alright, have a good day. See you guys.